Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. Tell us on Instagram. So for fixing it, first thing, you just need to understand that you need to wait some time. Mostly it's just a temporary block and you just need to wait some time until Instagram will unblock you. So this is the first way. And also if you want to fix it immediately, so you just need to go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi and just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to do it with mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. Also just turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So if you still have the error, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And also you can check updates for your Instagram. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here available update, if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.